Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna have to do an unboxing of the couch that I bought this year. We replaced the couch in the living room and put that pink couch downstairs in the basement. We got a new couch. I bought it for this Christmas season. Instead of buying a purse for myself, I bought the couch so we can replace the couch in the family room. Okay, so stay tuned, we're gonna do the unboxing. We bought the couch at Costco, and it comes in the boxes, like 4 boxes. My husband was asking me why it's in the box. Isn't supposed to be just the whole couch that they just delivered to us, but no, to install it and unbox it and then put them together, assemble it ourselves. So that's why I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Well, it looks good, but we're gonna have to look for the parts, and it's very neat when we did the unboxing. I didn't capture the whole thing because seeing the time lapse at the time when I'm trying to film it. Okay guys, as you can see, everybody's helping us put them together because it's a lot of work. So, and then we still have to clean up right after that, right? So everybody's helping us. Abby helped, Elaine helped, myself, and the boys help. I don't know if I forgot. If I think it looks better. Let me know in a comment below if you agree. Okay. Okay, now it's ready. Do you like it? Is it nice? I think it's better when we change the couch because the color of the wall matches.
We bought 2 couches, and she's on the floor, and he's on the floor. Why are you on the floor? Why are they on the floor, Penna?
It's gonna get dirty.
What's the point of the couch?
Since the couch is now ready, we need a center table. So that's why we have
called modern right
a new one too. I bought a new one. And he's now putting them together. See, Peanuts is not bothering you. He's not bothering you. Almost done si Daddy. Almost done. Since we have a new couch and we're gonna put the center table, we need some centerpiece, right? I'm gonna make a Christmas centerpiece to put in the middle of this table. Anyway, I picked this table without the thing that I put underneath. I only have this table that has a glass on top, so we don't have to put too much glitter on the top, right? I like it like that. So you will see it when it's ready. Galing mo talaga, ha? Pero parang baliktad kaya? Beauty's beauty. Kung kulang. Gusto mo nang film kita like that. Yay! Stop! Look at my socks. It's just perfect size. Very delicate. Okay. We just need a table so we can have some table. Stay there! Oh my goodness! Very good, very good. Almost there. Are you okay? Are you okay? No? Very good. Good job. Wow, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. Yay! Diba? Diba? Pinat, diba? Go. Diba?
Thailand this five. We're not supposed to come back.
Come.
Permission was for us.
Look, Peanut is patiently waiting for his treat. Okay, he's gonna stay there for a while, maybe a minute. He's on timeout, and later on, he's gonna get a treat from us. From me, actually. Peanut is making a mess. Look at your bones. Why it's on the floor there? Why are you making a mess and I'm trying to clean up? Mommy's trying to clean up. Who's that? Ina, you gave me a lot of views right now. Yeah, you're so cute, Penot. Are you sleepyhead? Peanut, you're sleepy. Sleepyhead. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.